Are you wondering how to create AI video clones that look and sound just like you? Well, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to create AI video clones, and I'm going to tell you what tools I used and also some tips that I learned along the way as I was doing this. So be sure to stick around for the entire video. And first, I want to play you a quick example of what this looks like. And let me know in the comments if you can tell the difference between this AI video clone and how I'm actually talking right now. Welcome back. I'm Ryan Dozer, and today I'm breaking down my favorite AI tools for marketing in 2025. These tools have become essential for my workflow, saving time and driving results. Pretty crazy, guys, right? Well, I'm going to show you how I built that in this video. And if this is your first time to the channel, welcome. My name is Ryan, and my mission is to help you navigate the overwhelming world of artificial intelligence. And if you want to know my favorite AI tools and prompts that I'm using for marketing and content creation, be sure to get my free AI Marketing Essentials Guide. You can find the link for this below this video. But now let's get back into this tutorial on creating AI video clones. So before I walk you through the setup process, I first need to explain what AI tools I'm using to create these video clones. And tool number one is HeyGen. Now, HeyGen isn't new. It's been around for a year or two at this point, but the technology has improved over time, and I'm very impressed with this tool right now. But I will say, being fully transparent, in order to create AI avatars with HeyGen, you have to be on the creator plan at the very least for $29 a month. They do have a free plan, but the quality and the features that you get just aren't even close to what I just showed you in that example at the beginning of the video. So I'd start with HeyGen at $29 a month, try it for a month and cancel it if you don't like it or don't use it. And if you really want to scale what I'm going to show you, you're going to want to consider the team plan. That's actually what I'm considering the more I've dove into this project. And when it comes to the voice, I used ElevenLabs to create what's called a professional voice clone. You'll see I have my Ryan Dozer AI voice clone. I trained it with about 10 different YouTube videos that I uploaded, and ElevenLabs has come a long ways as well. This has been around for a while too. But in order to use what I'm showing you in this tutorial, I would recommend getting the creator plan. Actually, you need the creator plan in order to generate a professional voice clone. This is at 50% off for the first month. So that's what I would do if I were you if you want to try this. I would get 1 month of ElevenLabs for $11 and then 1 month of HeyGen for $29. And if you don't like it, you can cancel both of those immediately. Now, the other AI tool that I used in this process is ChatGPT Plus. I actually used a custom GPT to create a script that sounds like me. I trained it on the back end with instructions, knowledge. But even if you don't have ChatGPT Plus, I would recommend using Claude for this. I have a Claude project that sounds just like me with all the knowledge right here built out, but you can also use the free version of Claude to help you generate ideas and scripts that you're going to want to plug into HeyGen and also fine tune your ElevenLabs voice. So now I'm going to show you step by step how you can build an AI video clone, and you don't have to follow this exact order. This is just what I did to build mine. And so step one, I would recommend starting with ElevenLabs. The reason I'd recommend starting here is this is where we're going to be able to create our professional voice clone. And remember, you must be on the creator plan in order to do this. It will not work on the lower tier plans. So once you have an account created with ElevenLabs, and by the way, I have a full tutorial explaining this exact process in more detail. I'll leave that and everything else that's relevant in the video description below. But in order to create your professional voice clone, what you want to do is come over to ElevenLabs on the main screen and click Voices. You'll see I have mine created right here, this Ryan Dozer AI voice clone. If you don't have a voice clone, you'd come over here and click Add New Voice. And this step is very important. You want to create a professional voice clone. You don't want to mess around with voice design or instant voice clone. The outputs and the quality are not even close to what you get with the professional voice clone. And I'm not going to show you the specifics of building a professional voice clone. Again, I do have that other video that walks you through that part step by step. And so once you have the professional voice clone built out, what you want to do is simply come back here and refresh ElevenLabs. And keep in mind, this will take about 6 to 8 hours for that clone to fully finalize, sometimes even 24 hours to get the best outputs. That's what I discovered when doing this anyways. And so once your voice clone is created on ElevenLabs, what you want to do is on the left-hand side, come over and click projects. And while any of these might work for this example, I've just found that create a podcast makes this easier. So we're going to go ahead and click that. And then what we're going to do is on the host voice, we're going to click our AI voice clone right here. Now the guest voice doesn't matter. We're going to get rid of that. And I'm going to show you that here in a little bit. I'm just going to do Eric, leave the model as is, leave the quality as is. So I'm going to X out of that. And then what you want to do, and this doesn't matter as well, but what I would do is click import from URL and really just find any blog post that's relevant to what you want to do. And it doesn't actually matter. We're going to get rid of that eventually. And then I'm going to click generate. And then I'm going to skip ahead after this part is complete. All right, so once your podcast has generated inside ElevenLabs, this is what the screen will look like. But we don't want this. We also only want our voice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click Command A, and I'm going to delete the entire thing. And then what I'm going to do is use ChatGPT. Again, you can also use Claude to help you with this as well. I actually have a custom GPT called my Ryan Dozer script creator. I can leave this in the description if you guys want to use it. I think it's open to the public, so I'll make sure it is when I leave it in the description. And then what you can do is basically give it a topic. You can say, here's my topic that I want to talk about. And I've created this and formatted it in a way that I've found works best with a video clone. So I went on and kind of fine-tuned it and reiterated it a little bit. And here is the final result of what I got. So once you get the script that you like, and again, you can reread this, fine-tune it however you want, etc. I'm going to come back, copy and paste this, open up ElevenLabs, paste it into ElevenLabs. And then what I want to do is click Command A. And as you'll see, now it's just my Ryan Dozer voice clone is doing the entire thing. And that's what we want. So to test this, we can click this little drop down here and then click play until the end. Welcome to the Marketing Quacks podcast. I'm Ryan Dozer, and today we're tackling one of the hottest topics in marketing, my favorite AI tools. These are tools I rely on to save time, boost results, and grow my clients. So you guys get the idea, right? That one sounds a little slower than what my other outputs have from my voice clone, so that's kind of interesting, but that is what you will do. And so once you come in here and kind of fine tune it a little bit, certain words aren't going to sound good at first. It might jump up some numbers. That's what I've realized. You can come in here and tweak this however you want. So make sure before you export this to an MP3 file that this script looks and sounds the way you want it to whenever you're making your AI video clone. So let's say that I like the final result of this script. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click convert on the top right, and I'm going to click convert chapter. And here it's going to give me my chapter. I'm simply going to click convert. And then it's going to give me this option telling me how many credits it costs. It costs 2,500 credits. And then I'm going to click convert. And now I'm going to skip ahead and wait till this part is complete. All right, so after this project has converted, you should notice a download icon here. Go ahead and click that, and that's going to download the MP3 file of what we just created with ElevenLabs. You'll see it's in right here. So I'm going to click that, drag over that MP3 file over to my desktop, and we're going to need that in a later step. So now that we've created our professional voice clone with ElevenLabs, step 1 is complete. And now step 2 is to hop over to HeyGen. This is the platform that'll generate the AI avatars or the video component of this. So after you create an account with HeyGen, what you want to do is on the left-hand side, click avatars. And you'll see my avatar right here. Obviously, you won't have anything if you're doing this for the first time. So you'll want to click create avatar. And unfortunately, on my plan, the creator plan, you only get one avatar per plan unless I want to upgrade. So that's why I can't do that portion for you in this example. But once your avatar is created, go ahead and click on it right here. And this will bring you to the next menu, which what are called looks, as HeyGen defines them. So I have 4 different looks here. All of these videos are about 3 minutes each, and these are all actual videos of me talking so I can train HeyGen. Notice how I look differently with different outfits. I have a hat on. I'm also talking differently throughout these videos from different topics. The more training data that you can provide HeyGen, the better your results will be. And so I can go ahead and add a new look. That's what you're going to click on. So once you do that, this is probably the most important part of this tutorial. Follow the directions. It says for optimal, most realistic results, we recommend uploading a 2-minute video recorded with a high resolution camera. I'd recommend doing about a 3 to 5 minute video. That's what I've found works best. And so once you do that, record, yourself talking in front of a high resolution camera, I would recommend clicking upload footage. I wouldn't do record with webcam. You won't get as good a results doing that. So click upload footage. And this is where you would drag and drop your footage. So I think I have some ready here. I'm going to drag some from my desktop just so I can show you what this looks like. And you're going to drag the footage right here. And then once your footage is complete, you're going to check all of these 4 boxes here. I wouldn't recommend checking ambient sounds in my recording unless you're outside and there's all these background sounds. If you're in like a studio or an office, I wouldn't click that. And then you can click my footage looks good. So I already did it for this video footage, but I'm just showing you what this looks like as you're doing it. And so once your video is uploaded, you're going to get this screen here that says your video is uploading, your avatar look is being created. And I'm going to click done. So now we have a little bar here. It says 2% ready. So once you create this look, it probably will take maybe 2 to 5 minutes for this to populate. So make sure you give it some time. So after one of your looks is ready to go, you should see it right here. And all you need to do now is click on it. And then it'll populate about an 8-second video sample. So you can listen to this. And if you don't like it, you can click edit look. But now what I'm going to do, is hover over create with AI Studio. You can do portrait or landscape. I'd recommend doing landscape if you're doing YouTubes or podcasts or things like that. So I'd click landscape. And this will direct you to the AI Studio portion of HeyGen. And it might look a little confusing at first, but all you need to do on the left-hand side is click script. And this is where we're going to upload our professional voice clone that we just got from ElevenLabs with the MP3 file. So what do I mean by that? So right here, you'll notice there's a script created by default. You can create your own if you want, but what you want to do is hover over this option that says upload audio. And once you do that, you're going to want to upload that MP3 file that we downloaded from the previous step with ElevenLabs. So I'm going to drag over that MP3 file that I did in this example, drop it right here, and then it will say uploading. All right, so my MP3 file from ElevenLabs successfully uploaded. You'll see it right here. You can play it. It's 3 minutes and 30 seconds long. And if you click on it, by default, it will automatically show up in this little editor thing here on the bottom right. And you can definitely go through and make some cuts. You can play it. If you don't like it, you can tweak it however you want. But let's just say that this is good. What you're going to do is come up here and click submit. And then after you do that, you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to do test video. Or if I can spell video, test video, save it to your location, which is just my videos by default. If you're on the creator plan, you get access to 1080p. If you're on a higher tier, you can even get 4K. I would leave it at 25 FPS, and I would also leave it in MP4 format. And make sure that you turn off the HeyGen watermark. That's an important step too. Then I'm going to click submit. And then once that is done, it will take some time for this new video to finalize. So I'm going to skip ahead after this is complete. So you'll notice it says 60% ready. I was getting a little impatient as this does take between probably 5 and 10 minutes to where that video is finalized, and you will get an email from HeyGen once the video is complete. But I'm going to play with you this example that I made right before I did this video that I used the exact step-by-step process that I showed you. So it should be very similar to what this example would provide. So once your video is done, go ahead and click this, and you'll come to this page right here. So obviously the very first thing I want to do is play it to see what it sounds like. Welcome back, I'm Ryan Dozer, and today I'm breaking down my favorite AI tools for marketing in 2025. These tools have become essential for my workflow, saving time and driving results. ChatGPT Plus is my go-to for versatility. Pretty crazy, guys. I still can't believe how good this technology is getting. And again, it's not going to be perfect. I'm going to keep going back and fine-tuning it. I'm going to fine-tune my voice clone with ElevenLabs some more, probably by uploading more YouTube videos. I might fine-tune it by adding more examples of me talking to the camera, right? So the more that we can fine-tune these AI tools, the better results that we will get. So if you're happy with the final product, the last steps really is you can either share this link with HeyGen, so you can click this copy collaboration link. I can leave that in the description below if you guys want to look at some of these examples, or you can download this as an MP4 file. You can add captions to it if you want. Remember, I am on the creator plan, so you get 1080p resolution, and then all you would do is click download. And that's it, guys. That is how you create an AI video clone step by step using ElevenLabs to start off with the professional voice clone, using the help of ChatGPT to write your scripts that sound like you, and then also using HeyGen to do the AI avatar and video component of this process. So now I want to hear what you guys have to say in the comments below. I know I went through this kind of quick. I will leave all the relevant links and videos in the description if you guys get stuck. But if you've made it this far, I truly appreciate it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you found value in this video. But most importantly, I hope you all have a great day.